Hello and welcome to Keyword.com. This video will help you to get started and understand how to fully use our tool to track your SEO performance. This video will be divided into the following chapters. Feel free to skip to whichever is the most relevant for you. Here's what we'll be covering: adding your first keywords, analyzing keyword performance metrics, researching new keywords to track, organizing your keywords by groups and tags, reporting, settings, and adding users, and the Rank Tracker API. You might have already added keywords during onboarding, but let's walk through it again. After adding your project, you'll click on Add Keywords and add a domain to track. You can choose to apply a broad domain match or exact URL match. Broad domain match tracks the first occurrence of the domain in the top 100 results. Next, you'll be able to add keywords to track. Then you'll be able to add a Google region to track as well as a language. You can then choose if you want to track your rankings on desktop, mobile, or both. If you wish to track local keyword rankings, you can also add a location to track down to the zip code level. If you choose to track your Google Business Profile rankings, toggle Ignore Local Listings and add your business name. When you're ready, click on Add Keywords and you're set to start analyzing your results. Once you've added your keywords, you'll be presented with a dashboard with your rankings. In the top table on the left, you'll find keyword movements, and on the right, you'll find your visibility and estimated traffic charts. Down in the keyword table, you'll find all of your data related to your keywords, including the search intent, rank, SERP features, search volume, and much more. If you hover above a keyword, you'll be able to view your SERP history, showing all of your and your competitors' keyword rankings over time. You can also see the historical chart and add competitors to compare performance. Click on the spyglass icon to see the keyword in the search results. In the Overview tab, you'll find a range of charts that highlight key trends and insights at a glance, including share of voice, average rank, SERP feature performance, basically everything you need to track progress and spot opportunities quickly. Feel free to pick which charts to show or hide. In the Top Pages tab, you'll find your top URLs, how many keywords they are ranking for, and other metrics. If you're a little unsure about which keywords to track, use our Keyword Intelligence tab. In it, you'll find suggested keywords that you are ranking for but not yet tracking by connecting your Google Search Console profile to the project, related keywords by inputting a seed keyword, and competitors' keywords by entering their URL. Feel free to add filters to narrow down the list and focus on the keywords most relevant to your goals. Now let's move on to keyword organization. Organizing your keywords into groups and tags is an important step in keeping your tracking structured and easy to manage. Think of projects, groups, and tags as a folder, subfolder, and sub-subfolder. To add a group or tag, simply head to the right of your project and click on a new group or tag. It's that easy. Once you've done that, you'll be able to analyze and report on your different keyword segments separately. Speaking of reporting, Keyword.com provides you with a range of reporting features that will surely impress your clients and colleagues. You can either create scheduled reports and choose which projects and groups to report on, personalize the email with a message, and feel free to use HTML here to make your report pop. With Keyword.com, you also have the ability to share live keyword rankings via the ViewKey link. This ViewKey link will share real-time ranking data in a read-only format so that stakeholders can monitor progress without needing full account access. They have access to the same data that you have in your dashboard. You can also customize what data you share and other settings in your ViewKey brand settings. Add branding elements to your ViewKey reports to make them truly yours. And if you want to take your reporting one step further, add a custom subdomain so that the URL of your ViewKey report is of your own. Of course, you can also export all kinds of data via TXT, CSV, or PDF. If you're using Looker Studio to report to your clients or stakeholders, you can connect your projects to automatically pull in keyword ranking data and create dynamic dashboards. Your settings can be accessed via the cog icon next to your profile. In here, you'll be able to update account information, billing information and subscriptions, your ViewKey brand, your table settings, including your ranking table settings, ranking table columns, and other settings like the reporting currency for your PPC columns, and the keyword position buckets for your keyword movement table. When it comes to adding users, Keyword.com lets you add as many users as you want. Simply add the email, create a password, choose which level of access you want to give them, and select any project restrictions. If you're interested in using the Rank Tracker API for custom reporting or integrating ranking data into your tools, you can find your API token in your settings. Check out our API documentation to get started. You now have a complete overview of Keyword.com, from adding your first keywords and analyzing performance metrics, to researching new keywords, organizing them, creating reports, managing settings, and using the Rank Tracker API. If you're looking to stay ahead in emerging search channels, our AI visibility feature allows you to track your performance in AI-powered search results like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and much more. Give it a try. With all of these tools at your fingertips, you're fully equipped to track your SEO performance, uncover opportunities, and share insights with your team or clients. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.